Let's talk about the basic foundation of economics. What economics is, what's involved with it, and what the basic economic problem is. The word economy comes from two Greek words, one meaning house and the other meaning distribute. It was first used to describe the management of a household, but by the mid-1700s, it came to describe the management of the resources of a country. Now, the basic economic problem that we're concerned about is this. Needs and wants are unlimited, but resources are scarce. What are resources? Resources are otherwise known as the factors of production, and they include land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Everything it takes to produce the stuff that you and I buy on a regular basis in our economy. So let's get back to this word scarcity. What does it really mean when a resource is scarce? Scarcity in general terms means that the demand for something is much greater than the supply, or there is not enough money to buy it. The exact definition in economics is that there are insufficient resources to satisfy everyone's needs and wants. And whether you're talking about oil, from which we get the gasoline that powers most of our cars, or corn, even seats in a movie theater, there isn't enough for everyone to get what they want at a zero price. You know something is scarce if you try to offer it for free and you don't have enough of it for everyone who stands in line to get it. So how does a society decide who gets what? Well, producers charge a price for it. That way, whoever values it the most will pay the most for it. This is how scarce resources are allocated or divided up and distributed efficiently in our economy. When you go to the store, you can't buy everything you want, so you must make choices to buy one thing instead of another. If you walk into the store with $50 and the store offers you 500 different items, you're only going to walk out of that store with a cart full of stuff that totals $50. Scarcity always leads to choice, and people can actually make better decisions because they have a better understanding of how much each choice costs. So now that we understand what scarcity is all about, let's talk about what economics is. Economics is the social science that studies how people use scarce resources to satisfy unlimited needs and wants. You'll notice it's a social science because it's about how people interact and why they behave in